Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete process of downloading a backup to your SCADAPack x70 controller and uploading a project from the controller. Whether you're new to SCADAPack devices or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the software interface, configure communication settings, and ensure your backup and upload operations are successful. Let's get started by opening your backup file and preparing the PC communication settings for the controller connection. Begin by opening your backup file. Once inside, locate and double-click on the PC communication settings option. This is the first step to ensure your computer can communicate properly with the SCADAPack controller. The settings window will allow you to configure the necessary parameters for a smooth connection. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as these settings are crucial for the next steps. Next, in the communication settings window, locate the field labeled IP address or hostname. Here, you'll need to enter the default IP 172.16.1.200 address for your SCADAPack controller. After typing in the correct address, click the Apply button to save your changes. This step ensures that your PC knows exactly where to find the controller on the network, setting the stage for a successful connection. After applying the IP address, the next step is to move to the Online tab in your software interface. This tab is typically located at the top of the window. Clicking it will allow you to establish a live connection with your SCADAPack controller, making it possible to download or upload configurations as needed. Make sure your device is powered on and connected to the same network. With the Online tab open, look for the SCADAPack x70 controller tab. Click on this to select your device. This action tells the software which controller you want to interact with, ensuring that all subsequent actions are directed to the correct hardware. Double-check that the selected controller matches your intended device before proceeding. Now, proceed to bring the controller online. This step is essential for enabling communication between your PC and the SCADAPack device. The software will attempt to establish a connection, and you may see status indicators or progress bars as it does so. Wait for the connection to be established before moving forward. Once you attempt to go online, the software will prompt you for confirmation. A dialog box will appear asking if you want to proceed. Click Yes to continue. This step is a safeguard to ensure that you are intentionally making changes to the controller, preventing accidental operations. After confirming, you'll be prompted to select a security mode for the SCADAPack device. For this demonstration, choose the option indicating that the device does not require a password. Then, click Apply to confirm your selection. This setting simplifies the connection process, especially for initial setup or lab environments. Once the device has been configured to not require a password, a confirmation message will appear. Simply click the Close button to exit the security settings dialog. This completes the security configuration portion of the process, allowing you to proceed with the backup download. As the download process begins, you'll see a progress bar indicating the percentage completed. Wait for the bar to reach 100%. Once finished, a confirmation pop-up will appear, letting you know that the configuration and logic have been successfully loaded to the controller. This step is crucial to ensure that all data has been transferred correctly. Once the download is complete, you'll receive a message stating that the configuration and logic have been successfully loaded to the controller. This means your backup has been restored and the SCADAPack device is now running with the new settings. You can now safely disconnect or proceed with further operations as needed. Now let's move on to uploading a project from the controller. Open a blank project in your Remote Connect software. Then, click on the Read Project tab. This action prepares the software to receive data from the controller, allowing you to retrieve the current configuration and logic for backup or review. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to select the PC communication type. Choose Modbus/TCP and enter the backup IP address for the RTU. Click Next to continue. This step ensures that the software communicates with the correct device and uses the appropriate protocol for data transfer. After configuring the upload settings, another pop-up will appear. Click the Finish option to start uploading from the controller. The software will display a message such as "The project is being created, please wait." Once the upload is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating a successful upload. Your project is now safely retrieved from the controller. Finally, as the upload completes, you'll see a message confirming that the project has been successfully uploaded. This means your controller's configuration is now safely stored on your PC, ready for review or backup. Congratulations! You've completed both the download and upload processes for your SCADAPack controller. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts or need clarification, please contact email automationsolution25contact@gmail.com. Please subscribe to my channel Automation Tech Support. Like the video.